When your strength is low and your spirit's weak, and you're staring at the balance every week. You hold that paper, wonder how you'll pay, praying for a lifeline before you fade away. Think of getting 50,000 naira in minutes today, then selling up in 30 days. No more queues, get help right now. Buy now, pay later. Best that you know with just one click. Buy now, pay later. Use your good credit score, unlock your care. Buy now, pay later. Stay one from dawn through night. Buy now, pay later. Buy now, pay later. Buy now. Imagine waking strong with hope renewed. No more doubts about what you can do. Your credit opens doors to healing and fast. Feel the freedom now, leave the pain in the past. Think of getting 50,000 naira in minutes today, then setting up in 30 days. No more queues, get help right now. Buy now, pay later. Best that you know with just one click. Buy now, pay later. Use your good credit score, unlock your care. Buy now, pay later. Stay well from dawn through night. Buy now, pay later.
Chat us on WhatsApp today on 080-8275-1466. Get your meds today and pay in 30 days with no interest.